In today's video, I am decorating this matka. First, I will apply white acrylic color as a primer. Before painting, make sure you always paint it with primer, or you can use white acrylic color. This will make your surface ready to paint, and you will need just one coat of the paint. Here I am painting upper half of the matka with red color. And the lower half with yellow. You can choose any of the colors that you want, but make sure that you paint it with acrylic colors. After completing, it will look like this. Here I am taking these small kundans of plastic. I have applied it like this. You can simply apply it with Fevicol. Now take some mirrors and stick it with the help of Fevicol. Now here I have decided to make a flower thing, so I am taking these kundans which look like petals. So just sticking it with Fevicol at equal distance. Now here I am taking a lace. You will find these laces easily at any local shop for just 5 to 10 rupees per meter. After sticking, it looks like this. And here is the final result. So here I decided to paint one more matka. Just painted it with red acrylic color. Here I am applying Fevicol with a brush. And here are the same beads which I used for the first matka. Just stick it like this. So I made the design with the beads. Now I am sticking some pearls and mirrors. You can add any beads or mirrors of any shape, and you can also use glitters or just make your own designs with acrylic colors. It looks something like this. Here I have took white acrylic color on a pencil and just doing some small dots around the pearls. Here I applied the golden lace. I had this small pearl lace. For applying this, I have used this glue. Just cut it and apply it in this manner. It looks something like this. And it's ready. This is a great decor piece for Janmashtami. And let me know in the comments that you liked it or not.